Original equipment style. Direct fit. Limited 5-year warranty. Fits 97 to 98 Jeep Wrangler. Are you looking to replace your fan switch knob because it's cracked or missing? Top reviews from the United States. Exact fit. OEM Appearance. This part worked out perfectly, as a direct replacement for the original knob that simply split into 2 pieces after 24 years of use. Injection mold design seems very similar to the OEM part, making for a seamless, undetectable replacement, and raises my expectation to get another 24 years of service from it. Part arrived in excellent condition and on time. Thanks for making this available.